Welcome back, children. So today we will separate the components from a mixture of salt and ammonium chloride. Now for separating the components from a mixture of salt and ammonium chloride, we take the mixture in a watch glass. This watch glass is kept on a wire gauge over a tripod stand. Above the watch glass, a funnel is kept in inverted manner, right? And the end of the funnel is plugged with cotton wool. When heat is applied from the bottom, we find that vapor sort of thing, or rather gas, white colored gas comes up, which settles on the cooler parts of the inverted funnel, inside the inverted funnel. Now, as you continue heating, and when you find this white colored gas stops evolving from the mixture, then you stop heating. After heating, when you make the funnel in straight position, you will find that white colored solid substances has got settled on the inner colder surface of the funnel. This white colored solid is ammonium chloride, and in the watch glass you will find salt. Now ammonium chloride is a sublimate. So here we have applied the process of sublimation. Since ammonium chloride is a sublimate, so on being heated, ammonium chloride has got changed from the solid state to the gaseous state first, and the gas, when reached colder inner part of the funnel, it got settled in the form of solid again. So here the process of sublimation has been employed to separate a sublimate, which is ammonium chloride, a solid, from another solid, that is salt. In this way, by simple processes, we can separate two solids from its mixture. But for this, one of the solid must be a sublimate. Right, children? In the next one, we'll do how to separate the different dyes in blue, black ink. Now here, to separate the various solutes in a common solvent, we use the technique of chromatography, or more properly paper chromatography. Chroma in Greek means color. Now here what we do, we take a thin slice of filter paper, right? Then from one end of the filter paper, we take a mark of about 1 centimeter. Then we add a drop of this ink above that mark, slightly above that mark. Then we suspend the filter paper up to that mark in a beaker containing water. After some time, we find that as water is absorbed and as water rises further upward, we find that out of blue pigment and black pigment, one of them has started climbing upwards towards the top of the filter paper, and the other one is also climbing, but a separate way has been taken, and there is a difference between this rate of climbing of the two components. So the one component which is more soluble, that will get dissolved in that water, the water which is absorbed from the beaker by the filter paper, and will start climbing upwards faster, at a faster rate than the other. Thus, in this way, we get two different lines, one for blue color and another for black color. So, in this way, we can separate the two soluble components, that is solutes, from a common solvent which is water. In this way, by the help of paper chromatography, or by the technique of chromatography, you can say, we can separate pigments from natural color, we can separate drugs from blood, right? So these are various applications of chromatography technique. In our next class, we will deal with some more forms of separation. Thank you.